Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we have the WLToys 144001. This is a 1/14 scale, 4-wheel drive. Thing handles great. Let's get this thing on the road. I'll put a link in the description below if you guys want to get one, plus a promo code, save you 20%. Wow, very easy to control, even at full throttle. Full throttle. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Battery dump on me. Oh dude. What's up with the wheels? Unplugged. Wheel came off, man. What is the deal? Twins. Alright, let's see if we can find a little screen. Alright, big trend here on OMGRC, wheels coming off. If you've been watching some of my videos recently, you've noticed that, hey man, what's up with the wheels coming off on your videos? You got me. Before it was pinion gears, now it's actually wheels coming off. So, you know, we'll see what's next. Maybe you guys, maybe make a poll or something like that to see what's the next thing that might come off. But for right now, yeah, the vehicle handled really well on road. It did pretty decent off road, but it definitely shines on road. Here's the thing is, as far as when it comes to being off road, is that there's no grease in the differentials, the front differential and the rear. So what happens, because there's nothing in it, they spin freely, you know, is that the power is just going to go to the tire that has the least amount of traction. So if this one's got a lot of grip going, and this one just goes, so just, you know, it's going to spin, it's going to have all the power going to it, and nothing really going to here, very little. So that's where you want to put the grease in. It's going to thicken it up, and that's going to allow it to kind of a little bit more even. So even if this one's getting the traction, this one's, you know, just kind of up in the air or whatever, it's getting less traction, this one will still get some power to it based on the amount of thickness of the grease that you stick in there. I'm not going to go real thick on it, but I'm not really 100% sure what grease I want to put in there yet. Even if it's just some marine grease or something like that, that's going to make a big difference compared to nothing that it has in it now. Alright, so this kind of give you a heads up on that part of it. As far as running this thing off-road in the grass, I wouldn't really recommend it. It sits up okay, but it's still a small vehicle, so it's going to struggle to get over that thicker grass. So really it shines honestly on road. It did really well on road. A little bit of sand here and there was still great, but if you're running maybe like on a clay track, you know, or baseball field, whatever, don't get mad, but you know, something like that, loose gravel, what have you, is pretty cool. And also being on loose gravel, you know, as far as your gears go, let me flip this thing around for you so you can see, it's all covered up, so you're not going to get any like big rocks in there. It's going to mess up the gears or get stuck in the gears or anything like that. So that has that nice gear cover that's on it, so not bad. Also 550 motor, that's nice on that one. I was thinking about putting a bigger motor, not a bigger motor, but more powerful motor in there. But if I went with something more powerful that is not a brushed motor, then I have to go with the brushless electronic speed controller. And with that being said, there's not a lot of room in here because the body is just like a buggy body, and so it leaves me with really no room to put something bigger in here. Because this is a 2-in-1 system, which means the electronic speed controller and the receiver are all in one, that would mean another piece of equipment that would have to go in there as well. So space is limited, and we just got to kind of keep that in mind. Unless they have, maybe you guys can leave a comment down below like, oh yeah, I've seen this same one and they have a truck version of it, or as far as like a short course truck. Cool, because that's something, maybe we can convert this thing into a short course truck or something like that. Then we would have more room to put stuff here and what have you, and then we can make that conversion happen for sure, because it'd just be like a little tiny electronic speed controller here, and we could probably in that same form factor put a regular electronic speed controller in there that would be brushless, and then put our other motor in there and let it eat for sure. It'd be a fast car because it's super stable. Buggies are just great because they're aerodynamic like that anyhow, so this thing can definitely take more power with all this aluminum or steel drive shafts that are in here and whatnot. I think it's a really nice vehicle, especially for the price. So speaking of price, I'll put a link in the description below if you guys want to get one of these. Also, there's a promo code to save an extra 20% off. So check for that promo code in the link in the description below. But until next time, appreciate all you guys watching as always. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. You guys take care.